is how you get over to Paul Revere Park from North Station. Now that's Charlestown Bridge. It's not done yet. You can use it. It's not done just yet. This is how you get over there. One of our favorite spots. Nowhere else do you have the blend of the, you got the trains. There's two commuter rails right there. Boats. A little chilly right now. Getting into the fall. Playground, the park, biking, running, jogging, picnics, everything. And that's North Station right there. You can also, I mean, that dome, that's the Museum of Science. If you're up for it, you can get your way over there too on foot or bike.